This is the portable electric nail drill, and I'm going to start with unboxing of this and show you what is included inside this box. So here is the main body, the switching adapter, or you can say battery bank. This is the user manual, and this is the actual drilling machine with some long cord. Now let's have a look on the extra accessories. Here is the power adapter for charging, and these are some extra drill heads. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 drill sets, and one extra handpiece. Now let's have a look at this controller itself. This is the forward and reverse motion controller, the power adapter port, and the on off or the RPM controller knob. Let me plug it on. So to change the drill head, you can just twist it like this. Just put the mark on the unlock, and now we can change the drill head. Let me put one of another drill head. Just place how deep you want it to be, then twist it in the lock position, and you can turn it on. Okay, so you can see how it is doing its work. It's working perfectly. Turn it off before changing the drill head. Now let me use another drill head. So after changing the drill head and switching it on, it is ready to use again. You can see how well it is doing its work. There is no noise, no any vibration, so it's really good.